Ever wondered what's keeping you glued to this planet while you're sipping your morning coffee? Here's a mind-blowing fact. Right now, you're hurtling through space at about 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a commercial jet, yet you don't feel a thing. It's like being on the smoothest roller coaster ever built. Except this one's been running for 4.5 billion years without a single maintenance break. The Earth spins like a cosmic basketball on an invisible finger, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. This rotation creates what we experience as day and night, but it does so much more than just give us a schedule. The spinning motion generates a centrifugal force that wants to fling everything off the planet's surface, including you, your coffee, and every ocean on Earth. So why aren't we all floating around in space like cosmic debris? The answer lies in gravity, our planet's invisible anchor. Earth's massive bulk creates a gravitational pull that's stronger than the centrifugal force trying to throw us off. It's like a cosmic tug-of-war, where gravity always wins, keeping our feet firmly planted and our atmosphere wrapped around us like a protective blanket. But Earth's rotation does something even more spectacular. It creates a magnetic field that acts as our planetary force field. Deep inside our planet, the spinning motion stirs up molten iron in the outer core, creating electric currents that generate a massive magnetic field extending thousands of miles into space. This magnetic field, called the magnetosphere, is literally what keeps us alive. Every second, the sun bombards our planet with deadly solar radiation and charged particles that would strip away our atmosphere and fry every living thing on the surface. Our magnetic field deflects most of this cosmic assault, creating the beautiful aurora displays when some particles slip through near the poles. Without this magnetic protection, Earth would look like Mars, a barren, airless rock with no protection from space radiation. Mars lost its magnetic field billions of years ago, and the solar wind gradually stripped away its atmosphere, turning it from a potentially habitable world into the cold desert we see today. Earth's 24-hour rotation period is perfectly calibrated for life. If our planet spun much faster, the centrifugal force would overcome gravity in many places, and we'd have constant hurricanes with winds exceeding 500 miles per hour. The equatorial regions would bulge out dramatically, and the day-night cycle would be so rapid that temperatures couldn't stabilize. If Earth spun much slower, we'd face equally catastrophic problems. One side of the planet would bake under constant sunlight, while the other froze in perpetual darkness. Temperature differences would create monster storms as air masses try to equalize the extreme conditions. The magnetic field would weaken significantly, leaving us vulnerable to solar radiation. Earth's rotation creates the Coriolis effect, which influences everything from the direction water swirls down your drain to the massive circulation patterns of our oceans and atmosphere. This effect causes moving objects to curve to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. The Coriolis effect drives the great ocean currents that distribute heat around the planet, keeping Europe warm despite its northern latitude and creating the complex weather patterns that make different climates possible. Without rotation, we'd have no trade winds, no ocean currents, and a completely different and likely uninhabitable climate system. Our rotation story wouldn't be complete without mentioning our cosmic dance partner, the Moon. The gravitational interaction between Earth and Moon creates tidal forces that are gradually slowing down our planet's rotation. Billions of years ago, Earth spun much faster, with days lasting only about 6 hours. The Moon acts as a stabilizing force, keeping Earth's rotational axis steady at about 23.5 degrees. Without this stability, our planet would wobble chaotically, causing extreme climate variations that would make complex life nearly impossible to evolve and maintain. Earth's rotation affects modern technology in ways most people never consider. GPS satellites must account for both the planet's rotation and relativistic effects to provide accurate positioning. Weather forecasting models incorporate the Coriolis effect to predict storm movements. Even the design of long-range artillery and spacecraft trajectories must consider our planet's spin. The rotation also affects the shape of Earth itself. We're not a perfect sphere, but an oblate spheroid, slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator due to centrifugal force. Imagine if Earth's rotation suddenly stopped. The atmosphere would continue moving at 1,000 miles per hour, creating supersonic winds that would level everything. The oceans would slosh toward the poles, flooding some areas while leaving others as massive deserts. Without the magnetic field generated by rotation, solar radiation would gradually strip away our atmosphere. But perhaps most dramatically, we'd have days and nights lasting 6 months each. One side of the planet would become a scorching desert, while the other froze solid, with only a narrow twilight zone between them potentially habitable. We're living on a perfectly calibrated cosmic merry-go-round where every aspect of the rotation, its speed, stability, and magnetic effects creates the exact conditions needed for life to thrive. The ticket price for this incredible ride is simply existing. So the next time you feel that gentle breeze, appreciate that it exists because our planet spins. When you use GPS or check the weather forecast, give a little thanks to our magnetic field. And maybe, just maybe, the next time you're having a bad day, you can take comfort in knowing that at least the Earth is still spinning. Because the alternative would make your worst day seem like a cosmic vacation. This spinning ball of rock we call home is performing an intricate dance that's kept life flourishing for billions of years. And we get front row seats to the greatest show in the universe. The next time you wake up and feel solid ground beneath your feet, remember that you're experiencing one of the most incredible phenomena in the cosmos. Earth's rotation isn't just a simple spin. It's a complex, life-sustaining system that took billions of years to perfect. From the magnetic field that shields us from deadly radiation to the weather patterns that bring rain to your garden, everything depends on our planet's cosmic dance. We've only scratched the surface of the amazing science behind our spinning world. There are countless more mind-blowing facts about our planet waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed learning about Earth's incredible rotation and want to explore more fascinating science topics, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Trust me, the universe has so many more secrets to share, and you won't want to miss a single one. What aspect of Earth's rotation surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with someone who loves learning about the incredible world we live on.